As a teaching member in the student card identity, I go to the identity tab and try to edit the identity of student. After that, there is a full email. It's not a mandatory field that I left the field empty, and I try to click save first. So this, when I click save, this click will all the required fields with the label of the button is not translated correctly from save as one button. Okay, and get this, I can click outside of the area hour. Okay, so the issue is I try to let the field is empty and I try to click save display the suite alert, but the button in the suite alert is not translated correctly and I can click outside of the area. Should be I cannot post the suite alert without a click button in the suite alert. This issue is breaching of the guidelines of the RNPG 003.